Hello guys, I'm here again. So I was explaining you how to work on a project. Okay, so this is the project for Unit 3. I am on page 10 and this is what you need to do. Heroes and heroines. What kind of people do you admire? What kind of people do you dislike? So think about people that you admire and people that you don't like. Collect some pictures of these people, right? Then you need to arrange your pictures into a collage. I would like you to work in your English red notebook. Okay, so you will paste and create a design, a collage there. Write about each person. Okay, write about each person. That means you need to describe each person. Say why you admire him or her, or why you dislike him or her, right? So, for example, someone that I admired is Madre Teresa de Calcutta, and I admire her because when she was alive, she she worked and helped a lot of people in need. She she worked and helped poor people in her country and around the world. And she was a very intelligent woman too, and she had the privilege, right, to won some Nobel prizes and like the Peace Prize, for example, for all her work when she was alive. And so think about that special or famous people that you admire and write about them. Describe why you like them, why you admire them, right? You can choose one or two or three, that depends on you. Here on letter D it says, imagine you are one of the characters you have described. What will your life be like? What sort of things will you do? Right? So to finish, you need to answer this question, right? Imagine you are one of these characters. Imagine that you are one of the characters you choose to write on. What would your life be like? Right? And what sort of things will you do? For example, if I were Mother Teresa of Calcutta, well, I would help people around the world. I would work to help the poor, to help the people in need, right? And what sort of things will you do? Well, I already said I would work hard to help people in need. I will try to look for help to help poor people, right? Um, and things like that. So work in this project, okay, and try to finish till this Friday, please. So you will have to take a picture of your collage, okay, of your writing in your notebook, and then send it to me on Hangouts by Friday, okay? That will be Friday 22nd, May 22nd. So that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget that if you have any questions, feel free to text me, feel free to call me on Hangout. Bye bye everyone, take care.